Hello, guys. On Tuesday, the IPOB leader Cano appeared in court, and it was all dramatic. It was just like, let me tell those people the truth. You know the truth, you don't want to follow the truth. But I want to let you guys know that, all these your games, I understand what you are doing. So he told the judge presiding his case, uh, Justice Binta Nyako, to rescue herself from, his trial, because he not get confident again for where she did, the way they follow the matter. All the judgments, that was made in the favor of the IPOB leader in the high court and all that, the woman just trash and go one side. She doesn't want to talk about it. No. Anyone like this. And all those things is because she was acting based on what they told her, to do. And she herself that is doing it, understand that what she's doing is wrong. Yes, in the normal circumstances, people they look at judge them as God. Please don't misunderstand me and not say Almighty God. Mean as God as in now you, because God not go fit come from heaven now. Can't do this judgment. You know the truth. Stand for the truth. You understand? So people look up to these lawyers, judges, and all that. But these people, they disappoint the poor masses, the ordinary Nigerians. You see matter went straight like this because you are acting for the highest bidder. You don't want to do the needful. Okay, let's fast forward to what I'm trying to say here. The director of the Abuja School of Social and Political Thought, Sami Mate, on Tuesday now said that the charges against the incarcerated leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, do not make much sense legally. You understand? So, this statement he made comes after Binta Nyako said she was going to rescue herself from Kanu's trial. Imade stated that Justice Nyako had said something close to that to him 2 years ago, that he would be difficult to prove the charges against Kanu. You get that? They know. Even the government, they are aware. He said, Justice Nyako have complained, I've told him, 2 years ago, that this very case, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, versus Nigerian government, it will be very difficult, for you to just say you won't convict this person, this and that, because they know the law is not against Nnamdi Kanu. He has not done anything wrong. Now, the news and details, Nigerians. This will shock you to know that Justice Binta Nyako is now the third judge withdrawing from Nnamdi Kanu's legal trial. She's now the third judge withdrawing from this case. You get? Then they talk, say, some persons, sometimes they want to look at integrity, legacy. Even if you're spending 100 years on earth today, a day will come, you will still go. But what speaks for you after you don't go, you understand, is what you have done here. You get? Only your name people want to speak when you are a bad person. And by that time, you cannot come back again to come and make, changes. You have only one chance to do that. And when you don't misuse them, you don't finish with that. Justice Nyako of the Federal High Court in Abuja, on Tuesday, withdrew from the treason trial of the indigenous people of Biafra leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. She is the third judge to give up the case midway into the trial. So the judge have announced her withdrawal shortly after Kanu demanded that she just had to rescue herself. It was just like, whoa, may my God bless you. This is what I've been looking for. You get? Kanu's lawyer, Nyako, urged the court to adjourn, claiming that his client was denied the opportunity to adequately prepare for his defense. But Therefore, before Ejimako could conclude his submission, Kano rose and asked his lawyer to sit. So the defendant said, "Sit down. I say you sit down." Then, turning to the judge, he said, "My lord, I have no confidence in this court anymore, and I ask you to rescue yourself because you did not abide by the decision of the Supreme Court. I can understand it. If the DSS, the Department of State Service, refuse to obey a court order, but for this court to refuse to obey an order of the Supreme Court is regrettable. I am asking you to rescue yourself from this case." Prosecuting counsel Awomolo San urged the court to ignore Kanu and proceed with the trial. Awomolo noted that, contrary to Kanu's claim, the Supreme Court ordered that the defendant, that is Kanu, should be tried on the 7 counts left in the 11 counts contained in the original charge on which he was first arraigned. He said the justice of the Supreme Court ordered this court to proceed with the hearing of the charge against the defendant. Okay, my lord, you should not rescue yourself on the basis of this mere observation, which does not have anything to do with the Supreme Court. It is an incompetent observation. We urge this court to proceed with the hearing. Kanu again stood up and held out a document he claimed was the subsisting judgment of the Supreme Court without seeking and obtaining the judge's permission. So Kanu read a portion of the document, which he said the Supreme Court found that actions of the trial court in the case rendered the impartiality of the judge suspect. So Kanu then said, "But my lord, you know that I love you. It is just that this court is allowing the prosecution to railroad me into a trial that is at variance with every provision of the Constitution." So the defendant then sat down, following which Justice Nyako expressed displeasure about his conduct, and the judge subsequently announced her decision to withdraw from the case. So she said, "I hereby rescue myself and remit the case file back to the chief judge." Now, the thing is that she is not the first judge. She has now become the third judge, withdrawing from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case in the midway. So the question now is, what is going on? Then the Nigerian government, for how long are they going to continue this? For how long? For how long would they continue this? Well, I did drop out for you. Kindly drop your comment below the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up